Hello, welcome to this Zoom. I'm showing you how to create a game on Scratch. You and thereafter code your game that you have created. It's a simple thing, but I'll show you how to go about it. If you don't have an account on Scratch, you can quickly do that. It's not difficult. Go to scratch.mit.edu for project. There you can create your own account. As you can see, this is my account where I will show you how to create a game and you code the game you have created. Let's go. I just click on create a game, a new game. So we'll go about that right away. Here is the screen. We have a card on the screen. We are not going to use the card. We are going to use our own sprites that will work with. Let's delete all this. So here is an empty space for us to do our game. Scratch is so fun. It's so easy. I don't know anything about coding, but with the tutorials that are available on Scratch, you can as well create any game of your choice. So before any other thing, you need to look for backdrops, the sprite that you will work with. Backdrops is like a wall or a scene that you want to use for your game that you will create. So go to the extreme right and select a backdrop. As you can see where my cursor is, you just click and you make your selection of the backdrop you want to use for the game. Hmm. Okay. Just like I was saying, if you are going to create a game in Scratch, you open an account. If you don't have one, you can quickly do that by going to scratch.mit.edu. You will have your own account. As you can see, this is my account that I have created on Scratch. So we are going to start our game. In creating a game in Scratch, you need to know two things. It's either you use the backdrops that Scratch has created, or you can design your own. You have sprites to work. Here you can see the backdrops by clicking to select any that you want to work with. So this time I will choose 2 to 3 backdrops that I will want to use for this game. Let's pick this. Yeah, this is a beach. Select another one. And you have uh, mm, need this. Pick this. We have the hill, the beach. That other one, I will cancel that because I don't need that. Mm, Solution. To this wall, I still make selection. Skip this. We have this. We will delete the ones we don't want. So we choose our sprite. Here you can click and we use animals or uh, people or letters. If you want to use letters, you can click and you select the letters you want to use. So this time around, I want to use people. I choose being and choose uh, Erin. So just to make selection, like we can pick this. Well, we have 2 sprites. We have 3. So let's work with these 3. Create a space for the view. The view. So we have three sprites. This is the first, the second, the second, yeah, and the third. So we're going to cut this sprites that we have selected. So these are our costumes. Let's go to this section. And see what we have. These are our costumes. We only need one, not the three, so let's delete the others. Delete the others. Let's see, the second sprite is one. Delete the others. This is the third. Delete. So we'll cut our sprite in Scratch. So let's go up there and cut. We want a situation where when an activity will show how these sprites react whenever we cut them. So let's go to the event section and click. When flagged clicked, when the flag is clicked, we want our sprites to um, move. You can you see move 10 steps, but we can reduce it. Let it be, let's say 5 steps. You can put 5, so we can take it to this place. But which of the sprite? Abby, we want Abby to move 5 steps. So we'll place it here. So let's go. This is it. Yeah, when sprite is clicked, there's movement that Abby is doing. So we can place our code on Abby. Now, the whole thing, you pick it and place it on the sprite. This is the first. Let's go again. We want to hear our sprite say something. Let's go. When flag is clicked, we want, let's go to the loops. We want our sprite to say hello. Okay. And it's the same IP. Let's go. This is it. Say hello for 2 seconds and that's it. Let's click again. Yeah, good. Oh, the flag is over here. It's still the same. Yeah, so can also place this on our sprite. Okay, good. We dropped it on, huh? We want a situation whereby when flag is clicked, oh, it a little bit up. Sprite is clicked. We want to change backdrops. Okay. Use any of the backdrop. Let's go. We can see what is happening. Any of the backdrops when sprite is clicked. In this situation, we can place our cut on all the sprites because it's not only one sprite. We want the backdrop to change. We can place it on all the sprites. Our cut, we place it on all the sprites. Okay. So, sprite is clicked. Backdrop keeps changing. Remember, we have 6 backdrops. That's why you see different backgrounds. That's good. A situation whereby when the sprite is clicked, then something will happen too. Yeah. And situation whereby when sprite is clicked, we want Abby to hide when sprite is clicked. In this situation, there is nothing you can do for this sprite to show except you code it again. So place it on our sprite. We can get this. To the event section. And when black is clicked, want our sprite to show. We want our sprite to show. This is it. Scratch is a game that anyone who doesn't have any knowledge on coding can give a trial to learning it. It's not difficult. It needs critical thinking. It needs your ability to think, if I do this, what will happen? If I do that, what will be the result? So we are done with this sprite. Let's code the second sprite, which is Avery. So let's go. When sprite, let's go to the event section. Flag is clicked. We want our sprite to think in which one is the sprite. The costume, we switch to this. Yeah, so let's go. For 2 seconds, click. Yeah, this is it. For 2 seconds, when you click, you see it's thinking. Yeah, so you take your code and drop it on the sprite. Wait. This one first cost sprite. Yes. Let's go. Let's create another event. And sprite is clicked. We want Avery to we want to move 5 steps. Want our sprite to move. Let's go to the looks and pick the name, this, right? Yeah, and see what happens. Yeah, you can see the movement. As long as your hand will be on the flag, the sprite will keep moving. If you want the sprite to move backward, you can do that by creating another one and say when sprite is clicked, you want a movement backward. And a movement backward. Go to the motion section and reduce the movement. You can put minus. I'll put -3. Let's go. Or -3 steps. That's it. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. See, the sprite is moving backward. When you click here, it will be going forward. So you pick your code and place it on the sprite. Place it on the sprite. So let's create a code where our sprite will also hide when we click on. Found here. Here, sprite is click. Create another one, and when sprite is clicked, then it shows So anything you want your sprite to do, you are going to create that event. Yeah, you want it to show. You want it to show. This is it. So we have created activity. It is in two sprites. So we want it to hide. You click again, it will show. You click here, sprite say hi. Sort of thinking, it will go forward and backward. Okay. About changing background, want the sprite okay. Changing background. So it's called the fit sprite, the third sprite. Let's go to the event section. When sprite is clicked, want our sprite to say hello. Yeah, the sprite is clicked. Yeah, you can see this one is now programmed for 2 or 3 minutes and seconds. It's just, it will just say hello. Go to the event and pick when sprite is clicked. To make it to switch to wall 1, you can create it. Yeah, yeah, and so. Want situation whereby the sprite will as well disappear and reappear when flag is clicked. We can do that as well. Let's go to the looks. And we want our sprite to hide. It. You click. You want it back. You create another event. And if I want your sprite to do is going to be like that, and you do that. So these are the things we have created using coding, coding in Scratch. It's fun. I'm fun in doing. I have created different games in Scratch. I even use letters to animate my name in Scratch. So I want to use this opportunity to thank Professor Heidel for the opportunity to learn using different technologies every week. It's so fun. It's educating. Indeed, I have learned so many technologies on using the exercises during our classes. I have learned a lot. I'm so grateful to you for the encouragement you have been giving me. I'm glad that I have chosen this course. God bless you.